Despite its promising platform and potential, Werewolf Therapeutics faces several significant threats that could impede its long-term success. The first and most immediate threat is the inherent risk of clinical trials, particularly for early-stage biotechnology companies. Werewolf's pipeline, while innovative, remains in the clinical trial phase, with WTX-124 and WTX-330 still undergoing evaluation. Clinical trials are fraught with uncertainties. Issues related to safety, efficacy, or even patient recruitment could delay progress or lead to unfavorable results. Werewolf is heavily reliant on these two lead assets, meaning any adverse outcomes in trials could substantially diminish its valuation and market confidence. The biotech space is unforgiving when it comes to trial failures, and a single failed trial could set the company back significantly, both financially and reputationally. Another major threat is the intense competition within the immunotherapy sector. The cytokine-based cancer therapy market is already crowded, with numerous biotech firms, as well as big pharma, investing heavily in similar approaches. Werewolf's competitors include more established companies with greater resources and broader pipelines. To succeed, Werewolf must demonstrate clear clinical superiority over these competitors, which is no easy task. If other companies are able to develop safer or more effective therapies that surpass Werewolf's products, it could lose out on crucial market share and partnerships. This competitive pressure not only threatens market position but could also impact the company's ability to attract new investors or additional strategic partners. Regulatory risks also present a significant threat to Werewolf's future. The approval process for new therapies, particularly those related to immunotherapy, is complex and often uncertain. Werewolf is subject to FDA scrutiny and other regulatory hurdles, and there is no guarantee that its therapies will receive approval even if they perform well in trials. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape is always shifting, and new requirements or unforeseen hurdles could arise, delaying or derailing product approvals. Regulatory setbacks could significantly extend the timeline to commercialization, straining the company's resources and testing investor patience. Financially, Werewolf's high burn rate adds an additional layer of risk. Although the company has a solid cash runway through the first quarter of 2026, its increasing R&D expenses, which have already jumped to $15.3 million in Q2 '24, are a growing concern. If clinical trials are extended or require additional investment, this cash runway could be shortened, forcing the company to seek additional funding through equity offerings. Such measures could dilute current shareholders, reduce share value, and impact investor confidence. While Werewolf is actively managing its finances, the high costs associated with biotech R&D are a constant pressure, especially if the company does not secure additional sources of income or partnerships. Werewolf also faces potential macroeconomic threats, including market volatility and shifts in investor sentiment. The biotech sector is particularly sensitive to changes in economic conditions, interest rates, and investment trends. A downturn in biotech valuations or a shift toward more conservative investments could limit Werewolf's ability to raise capital or maintain its stock price. Additionally, geopolitical risks, such as changes in trade policies, healthcare regulations, or the global economic climate, could further complicate the company's growth trajectory. Finally, the timing of technological advancements in the broader healthcare industry could serve as both an opportunity and a threat. If other companies or academic institutions make significant breakthroughs in immunotherapy or alternative cancer treatments, it could outpace Werewolf's progress. The fast-moving nature of biotech means that timing is everything. Werewolf must not only advance its own technologies but do so quickly enough to maintain relevance in an evolving market. Failure to keep up with these advancements could result in the company being overshadowed by more agile or innovative competitors. In summary, Werewolf Therapeutics faces a variety of threats, ranging from clinical and regulatory risks to financial pressures and competitive forces. The company must navigate these challenges carefully, as its future depends heavily on the successful advancement of its clinical trials, effective competition in a crowded market, and the prudent management of its financial and regulatory pathways.